Whoa, this ain't Game of Thrones. Yeah, I'm human with more than one interest in life. Anyway, people always criticize the Battle of Hoth, the greatest battle in cinema. In fact, Family Guy actually mentions how there are infinite directions in space. Why don't they just go away from the Star Destroyers? Lois is right. There are, realistically speaking, infinite directions to go in space. Problem is, they're not in space. They're on Hoth. So just about half their options lead straight into the ground. Also, surprise, there's a Star Destroyer in geosynchronous orbit right above them. Geosynchronous orbit is when a satellite, or Star Destroyer in this case, is in orbit over a planet such that it stays in the same place. In physics terms, its orbital period is equal to that of the planet's revolution. In what the does this mean terms, use this equation. The radius of Hoth is from Wikipedia. I found its mass by assuming it has similar gravity to Earth. Also, I'm assuming it has the same Earth day length. Doing the dirty stuff, we get an altitude of 25,200 kilometers. Modern ICBMs have a range of almost 15,000 kilometers. And it wouldn't be crazy to say they at least doubled the range given their hyperspace technology. But we can see Star Destroyers miss targets only a couple hundred meters away. Yeah, those are moving targets, and given their laser technology, they aren't able to guide their shots after they shoot them, like we can with missile guidance systems and the atmosphere. By the time the Rebel transport reaches geosynchronous orbit, Hoth takes up about 14.2 degrees, if you do some basic triangle geometry stuff. But that's assuming we live in a 2D universe. In actuality, we would have to use this equation to create a solid angle. Yeah, double integrals. Am I cool now, Dad? This gives us about 1.5 steradians, which takes up about 12.3% of our infinite directions from Hoth. Alright, you know what's coming. It gets worse. Get ready to lore. FTL travel is possible in Star Wars, and really it makes sense if you get past the whole nothing can go faster than light and convenient plot-driven timing of arrivals and departures. In short, flying through space ain't like dusting crops. Without precise calculations, you could fly right through a star or bounce too close to a supernova, or also maybe a giant space whale. Alpha Centauri is the closest star system to Earth at 4.37 light-years away, therefore it must have the largest solid angle. If we wanted to come out of hyperspace at geosynchronous orbit of a planet, say the size of Hoth, we would need a solid angle accuracy of about 0.5 microsteradians. This makes about 0.0000004% of our infinite directions actually possible. But luckily, according to StarWarsGalaxyMap.com, Hoth is connected by 2 known hyperspace lanes. So that brings our possible directions to a mighty 0.0000008%. That's pretty accurate space travel. On the 24th of August 2017, SpaceX launched a Falcon 9 boost stage that reached 247 kilometers and landed 0.7 meters off-center, giving us a solid angle of 0.002 steradians. Meaning space travel in Star Wars is 4,060% better than what we have today. So yeah, really there are just 0.0000008% of infinite directions, which makes infinite.